Hey there, welcome to my channel Passion Stroke. I am Divya and I bring a lot of amazing painting and craft videos for you. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please press on the bell icon. So today I have come up with a very beautiful and amazing watercolor painting of a bluebird. You need to start by sketching the outline and then we need to go from a lighter shade to the darker shade. So the first shade which I have taken is of cobalt blue and then Persian blue. When you go from lighter shade to the darker shade of blue, it always goes in a range. So it starts from cobalt blue, then a mix of Persian blue. You can also mix Persian blue and Viridian green for some darker shade. So wherever you see the darker patches, it's a mix of Viridian green and Persian blue. You can also mix deep magenta and cobalt blue for a slight light shade and dark shade of blue. Remember, an artist never uses a color directly. They always mix it with some other shade and then use it in their painting. And that's a hidden secret. Now as you see, the detailing of the bird is done. We need to paint the flowers. Again, I'm going from a lighter shade to the darker shade. If you can see, I have used a very light shade of crimson red, and gradually I will go from crimson red to a mix of crimson red and Viridian red. Sometimes at places you will see I've used even brown, burnt sienna brown with crimson to make some darker patch of flowers. You can also mix burnt sienna brown with Viridian green for a darker shade of brown, which gives a look and finish of almost black, but it's not black. Similarly, for the leaves, you can start with cadmium green and then gradually go to a darker shade like Viridian green and then sap green, and in between the transition try to mix a lighter shade and a darker shade of the same color scheme, and that really gives a very jubilant and beautiful painting. And now it's time to have a look at the finished painting. I hope you enjoyed this quick watercolor tutorial. Please watch my other videos in my channel where you can learn a detailed painting step-by-step technique. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Thank you, bye bye. I'll see you in my next video.